What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a DURATECH 7-inch pliers. Well, pliers slash cutter. So for all the electricians out there, all the mechanics, because all the mechanics use pliers as well, but mainly electricians, if you're dealing with wires and stuff like that, especially the cutting pliers, then this will definitely be good for you. So you maybe stumbled across this video because you want to see the unboxing on this and stuff like that. So we are going to go over the unboxing. All right. And we want to freshen up our toolbox, you guys. So here you go. DURATECH. They have all types of stuff. Wow. I am in the market of all new tools, you guys, and they have a load of new tools. I want to get rid of all of my old tools, you guys. I have tools over 40 years old. Like, I have tools that is older than me. Okay. So with that being said, I inherited a lot of tools and I have purchased a lot of tools from back in the day. So yeah, we just have a whole lot of tools lying around, rusted, and it's just time to upgrade, you guys. So here we go. Fresh out the box and fresh out the bag. DURATECH. Wow. It looks good and it feels good. All right. So once again, these are cutting pliers, you guys. So with that being said, we have some 14-2 wiring here. All right. We got some 14-2 wiring. And we are going to do a little demonstration. You don't get this that often, that you guys on reviews. All right. So put it in and bam. Cut all three. Nice and easy. Do it again because I didn't even have it open that much. All right. Bam. All right. There we go. 14-2 wire. All right. I got something even better for y'all. Here we go. Oh, 14-3 wiring. All right. So we have 14-3. Got a whole bunch of spare wires here, you guys. This is all spare. All right. We're having fun. All right. 14-3 wire. Woo. Nice cut. Nice cut. Do it one more time for the people. This is for the people, you guys. That's how you cut off the wire. All right. You run your wires through. Run your wires. And there you go. Woo, I have something even better. You guys. Here we go. Alrighty. And here we go, the ultimate. We have our 30 amp wire right here. All right. We have our 30 amp wire. And here we go. Yeah. Uh-oh. I think I met my match. All right. Give it one more eat. Let's eat it one more time. Don't let the wire defeat you. Ugh. Uh-oh. We met our match, you guys. We may have met our match. So 14-2. Ugh. All right, it's taking some time, but it's getting there. We getting there. Whoo. It cut it, but it was a struggle. All right, so this is 30 amp wire, you guys. So I ran this wire through my basement to my garage, just in case in the future I want to run a, I want to charge an electrical vehicle. I might get an electrical vehicle one day, you guys. I don't discriminate. I love combustion and I like electrical vehicles. I just don't like the way they look. So when someone makes one that I like as far as the look, then fine. But until then, I'll just have electrical charger on standby. So I basically in my garage, it looked like one of those dryer hookups in the garage. So that's what this wire was for. And all the other wires, I did the electrical work in my whole basement. So that's why I have all of these wires here. So blah, blah, blah. With that being said, I do have another review. I will be probably doing the same thing with the next review, but the next review will be a 8-inch pliers. So I will be plugging that review right after this review. So if you like this review, then basically I will be doing the same with the other review, just with the 8-inch pliers. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next tool review.